having a fantastic day. It's a very busy day here today, so I've had to move away from my office just so that it's not too noisy. And there's some little sunlight here. You would never believe what the time is. I think it's almost 1 o'clock. It can get very dark, especially in winter. I've got a client today. It's a very big case, and we do have 3 more hearings before we conclude the case. Sadly, it's one of those ones that has not concluded till now, because some cases can conclude first hearing, second hearing, third hearing, but this one has seen the whole process really. So for the next hearing, it's very important that we have all the reports that we need. Like financial matters, you have reports like surveyor's reports, you have estate agents reports, you have pension reports. You have to look through them. If you are a person who doesn't like maths, you might struggle with looking at this document, but I don't have a problem with adding and subtracting. That's why I'm quite good with probate, with financials. So if you don't know what financials are, they used to be called ancillary relief. When people get divorced or separated, if they've got assets together, they would have to divide those assets. So with family law, you've got children law cases. It can be childcare cases, which has to do with a local authority, or it can be a private law case, which has to do with like contact. We call them child arrangement order. And then you have non-molestation orders, like a criminal law matter when like a wife is harassing a husband, or a husband is harassing a wife and they want them out of the house. Occupational orders, non-molestation orders and occupational orders normally go hand in hand, because if someone is saying you're a threat to my life, I want you out of the house, then they're seeking an occupational order. And then you have divorce, which a lot of people know about. And then the next one is the financial matters. It's very lucrative, but it's very time consuming as well, because most people, have their finances together. They never know that they will have a divorce, and then they get divorced. And then, people start wanting to share points on a Boots Advantage card. It can get very messy. So that client today is my biggest to do for today. I've got like 30 minutes meetings here and there. I've got Zoom meetings, but for now my focus is on looking at all of the paperwork, so that we are basically strategizing, and if offers are to be made, they will be made now. We've been making offers, the other side have been making offers, but both parties have refused to settle, and the case has gone, through so many years, and we're almost at the end of it. I'm going to be instructing counsel to go for the last hearing, basically because I'm very busy on the day and I've got another hearing. Instructions take time as well. You would have to find counsel that has the experience that you want. You have to find counsel that is able to run with the job ASAP. So if their diary is fully booked for the whole month or 2 months, sometimes even 3 months, then obviously, even though you have a barrister that has good experience and is able to run with the case, they would not be available for it. So I finished the Zoom meeting with my client, and I had some other meetings with other clients by Zoom. I also had 3 other people come into the office, but we only see clients if they're coming in to sign documents or to pick up documents and things like that. So it was quite fast and busy today, which is good, but I'm very far from finished with today. The job is quite boring. Yeah, you can use any other word. It's not boring to us, but it's very different from if I were maybe skiing or jumping off cliffs or anything like that. It's been quite busy out there today. I didn't even notice, but I went for a walk just because I wanted to clear my head, and wow, what is happening out there. So the other day I had a 4-day hearing, and it was by Zoom. And the judge was really struggling to hear, because outside her apartment, there was this terrible digging noise, banging and everything. I just found myself giggling a bit because I think in one of my videos, I showed you how these workers had been around for about... So I showed you how these workers had been around for about 1 week, but it was during the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic. So I think a lot of people were just trying to fix their premises, so that they could start running with their businesses after the pandemic. I still have loads of paperwork to go through. I'm gonna go to the gym at some point because I know in one of my videos I said I was fighting a double chin, but believe me, it's so real now. So get your friends to subscribe and leave your comments. Without your comments, what's the point? All right, then I'll see you later in another video. Bye now. Take care and I'll see you later. Bye for now. Bye. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, but thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed my day. Basically, I'm gonna be doing very short videos like this because I cannot do anything longer than this. But I'll be happy to share with you more of what my day is like. I haven't eaten anything. I've got some tomatoes. They're quite filling, but they've got a lot of calories. I'm gonna have one of these.